Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Fiat 500 brake pads. First, gather all necessary tools like a jack, lug wrench, and a socket set. Make sure you have new brake pads and a C-clamp or caliper press ready. Always prioritize safety by using jack stands and wearing protective gloves throughout the process. This preparation ensures a smooth and secure brake pad replacement. Now, let's get those old pads out. Begin by loosening the lug nuts, then safely raise your Fiat 500 and secure it with jack stands. Once the wheel is off, you'll see the brake caliper. Carefully unbolt the two caliper guide pins, then gently remove the entire caliper assembly. Finally, slide the worn brake pads directly out of the caliper bracket. With the old pads removed, it's time for the new ones. Use a C-clamp or caliper press to fully compress the caliper piston back into its housing. Now, carefully insert your new brake pads into the caliper bracket. Reattach the caliper, making sure to tighten the guide pins securely. Finally, put the wheel back on and hand tighten the lug nuts. You're almost done. Lower your Fiat 500 and fully tighten all the lug nuts. Before driving, pump the brake pedal several times until it feels firm. This resets the caliper piston. Double-check your brake fluid level and add more if needed. Finally, take your car for a short, low-speed test drive in a safe area to ensure everything is working correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.